Hello and welcome to the Network and Layer 2 Attacks and Countermeasures course. MACOV is a command line tool mainly used to flood the switch on a local network with random MAC addresses. So as I mentioned before, when the switch receives a frame, it creates a new entry in its MAC address table for these MAC addresses. Once the switch's MAC address table is full and it cannot save any more MAC addresses, it generally enters into a fail open mode and it starts behaving like a network hub. So let's see MACOV command in action. So here's a network that I created in GNS3. Now I'll go to the console of the switch and type show MAC address table dynamic to see the dynamic records of the MAC address table. Now here there are 6 port and MAC mappings for now. Run the command again, and now we have 2 rows. So it seems, by the look of this, that the MAC address table aging is 10 or 15 seconds. Okay, you ready for this? This is the time of MAC flooding. So now I'm in a terminal screen on Kali. Have a look at the manual of MACOV command first. So type man MACOV and hit enter. MACOV is a tool that's used to flood the local network with random MAC addresses. And here are the options. I, to identify the network interface to attack. N, to specify the number of packets to send. D, to specify the destination system's IP address, etc. So let's create the command. Of course, the first command I'll send is MACOV. I, the interface that's used to attack, will type that in as ETH0. D, the destination, the Ether switch router. Now we're ready to run the command, so hit enter. And the MAC flood started, and MACOV sends tens of packets in seconds. Now let me go to the Ether switch router console and look at the dynamic MAC address table again. You can call the last command by using the up arrow key. And as you see, there are a lot of rows for our Fast Ethernet 1.0 port, which is used for Kali. So while MACOV is running, let's run Wireshark and try to listen in to the traffic on the telnet of Kali's own network interface. Now to see only the telnet traffic, type telnet in the filter box and click the blue button next to the box. Okay, no telnet traffic for now. Now I go back to the OWASP BWA VM and telnet to the Metasploit VM again. Telnet, the IP address of Metasploitable, username and password. Run a command. Okay. So back to Kali. You see the telnet traffic here. Kali is neither the source of the traffic nor the destination. It receives the telnet traffic. Now, this is a typical in hub behavior to send packets to each node, so we can say that our switch is behaving like a hub now, just like we predicted. So let's go ahead and stop Wireshark and the MACOV command using Control-C keys. You can do that. These are the telnet packets. Since Telnet is a clear text protocol by default, we can see the payload as well as the metadata. We can see every character in a different packet. So select one of them. Right-click, follow, and select TCP stream. So the red characters here are client packets. The blue characters are the server packets. Here's a credential, username, and password.